So Tuesday, October 7th, and Dad is a little frustrated with this wiring. We're going to get on the other side. He's not swearing yet, but looks like they did a little wiring in here.
They done some wiring in here. They put power to ground and then put a fuse on it.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a good thing you're catching this.
Well, I'm gonna bypass a lot of this stuff.
Okay.
I put it, if you look over here,
Yeah, I'll get back over there.
I put a fuse box in here.
Yeah.
So that's going to be main power.
Okay.
And then you have fuses here, and you just plug in everything.
Okay.
That way, if something burns out, burns the fuse.
Yeah. So this is normal for Dad. He ends up, he hates it actually. He says he just doesn't like it, but he hates it. And it's the gift that keeps on giving with every single machine that he does, because this is normal. Like, it's never organized. And like, this is what he's pulled out here. And he's going to clean all this up and color code everything and label everything.
You see, like this,
Yeah.
that's a ground wire.
Okay.
Black and red. Should be black all the way.
Okay. So he's never surprised at the wiring jobs he has to do, but this sometimes can take him quite a few hours to get it all organized. Is it any easier getting into this machine, or?
Well, I'll show you here.
Okay, I'll walk back around.
When you go to get in, you reach up here,
Okay. Oh, you put in a bar.
hand, so you don't
yeah.
slide out.
That's handy. And then, but it's kind of cramped quarters here versus the Bombardier normally.
Yeah,
This is, but he's probably been at this all day.
Hey,
You've been at this all day.
been all at this all day. So what you have to do is you step in here
Yeah.
and grab this before you even get in. So
Yeah.
if you slip,
You're,
and then you can
yeah.
get in.
Okay. So yeah, there you go, guys. Dad is into the wiring of the Bombardier Muskeg tractor. This is the 74
75.
or whatever. It's the customer's Bombardier, anyways. And this is what's going to probably keep him busy. Wouldn't surprise me for the rest of the week. Painting's all done. He says he doesn't need to do any more painting, but looks like he's got the lights back installed. I think there was some extra ones he still has to install at the top there. But
I gotta clean the window inside and the center.
yeah. So eventually, once he's done with the wiring, this one will move out and into second place here, and that one will move into first place. And but yeah, this is the nightmare job he's doing here right now. Dogs are outside. They're into the doghouse already. It was snowing yesterday and sleeting, and this morning was -3, so the weather is creeping up on us. The cat has already said he's hibernation now till spring, and that is that. So
Ice in the water pail.
ice in the water pail, and I got to go fill up the water pail because
Yeah.
it's empty.
Yeah, fill up that red one.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. Dad is having fun with with wiring, and we'll check in with the dogs. This is how Dad has to do the wiring.
I gotta test it all, see if there's power coming or not.
Yeah. Is it any easier with having it in your lap like this versus? Yeah. Okay. So.
You have to take these 4 bolts out to do it.
Okay. So it's end of day treats here. Both Emily and Charlie both got 2 chicken strips, handful of marrow bones, and now they're on to their yummies. It's a special sinew treat that Charlie loves. They're like, you only get them at Costco, and it's a sinew treat, and it's his favorite treat. And does he ever sulk when we run out of them? And so he got 3 yesterday. They're on their second one already. But it's his favorite treat, and I got them on sale for a change at Costco. So, change of weather. These guys need treats. Charlie's getting old, so especially needs his treat. Emily's just happy that There's Treats, period. Loves her farm. Hey, my Filipino Emily? Yeah, what a good girl I got.